Oh, is that the new 500? It doesn't look bad, does it, for CDR 500? Yeah, that looks nice, doesn't it? Motor Guzzies. Oh, they got the new 85, the new 85 off-roader. You haven't done any adventure bike stuff yet, have you? I'll have to get you out on the adventure bike, mate. That's the V85. I think it'll be a good bike, that will. I don't know how much it's going to be yet. I don't think they've announced the price yet. Oh, 10.7. 10.7. It's not bad, is it? Try it on for size. Oh yeah. Suits you. It's got those little intakes on the brakes as well. The carbon cooling intakes. How nice are they? That's the factory works one. That's the proper one. That is. Looks nice with the paint on the wings. And it looks better with a bit of paint on the wings. Aprilia gives you wings. That's the R one. 15.5 grand. 15.5 grand. Same price as a standard Fireblade. Oh, I like that, mate. I like that with the red on the. I like it. It's nice. For yours, for your green. I don't know. I like that. I don't think anything else has changed, has it? It's still got no LED headlights, which is a bit of a, and no LED indicators, which is a bit. It's a bit. It's got electronic O-lins now, so you've got 3 electronic O-lins. But I think that is the only change, and the new paint. I like the new paint, mate. I really like that. You don't like it as much as yours? Ah, you're just saying that. I think that looks nice. I like that red and black. I like the little red strips down the cow.
Don't suit you. No, it's too racy for you.
On your hot, mate. There we are. Billet frames. Don't you know about these? If they've got milled frames from single piece billet, and they're very expensive. 20 grand, which is getting the norm for like a special edition bike. 20k it is, which I thought was more expensive than that actually. So that's almost getting the norm now, isn't it, for like a special. You've got completely billet frame. Well, it's got some welds in it. Ah, this must be no. Oh no, it's not welded. It is billet though.
It's welded there.
That's welded there. Yeah, this piece is one billet. That's another. It's lovely. It's engineered bit of kit, isn't it? It's 20 grand. It's not bad, is it? How many of those have you seen down Luby's? The new Street Scrambler. Got nitron suspension as well. The ultimate mile muncher. That one. I'd love to have a go on one. I think it's. With all that torque with that supercharger, I'd like to have a go on a tuned one, really, one that's had a bit of tuning done, about 250. Well, I think they are 250 horsepower for this year, though, aren't they? I think they've remapped them, and now they're like 250 horse. 28 grand is quite expensive.
Yeah.
That is going to be a big seller, I think, next year. Bring back the 600 class. 9.6 or in black. Has anyone actually had a delivery of their V4 RR? It's a lovely bit of kit, but I don't think anyone's actually got one yet, have they? Look at that exhaust a bit tasty though, isn't it? It does look absolutely lovely, doesn't it? New Atlas. Could be a very, very good bike. Ducati. Those wings do look more stylish than the Aprilia wings, don't they? Yeah. By the way this sweeps in here. All this is one piece though with that tank. It's lovely, it is gorgeous, isn't it? And the shark gills. suits you. He wants one. How much is it then?
20.
20? That's not even the S, is it? That's the completely stocker, isn't it? That's the bang stocker, 20k. 20k for the stocker. How much is the S then? 24. Well, yeah, 24, another 4,200 for the S. Do you get the S or do you get the stocker? Looks like it's carved out of pure granite, the tank of that, doesn't it? There's the 790 with the ball bags. That's the power called them. That's the Adventure R, that one. The R's got the more knobbly tyres on it and probably the longer travel suspension. The S, yeah, the S is the more street version. The S has got the shorter mudguard. This is the off-road one. This one. That's the S is the street one. It's nice. I look forward to trying one. I quite like the new Super Duke colours. Oh, yeah. It's nice, doesn't it? Nice. It's got the race tail seat on this one as well. Look. Nice. It was tasty, doesn't it? I don't fancy going to Spain on that. Though. Chris Gilmore's Pikes Peak 790 with the proper Popovich and the proper tail on. It's amazing how much it transforms the bike with that proper rear seat cowl and that on it. It's so much better than the road stocker. I like it a lot. .790 action. Small, yeah. It's only a parallel twin. But yeah, I like that new colour. I like the black around the front bit. It looks nice, doesn't it? The new one. And it's now got braided lines as well. Katana. Looking forward to trying one. TS or something like that. GSXR Dash. The original. A new one. Next weekend, mate, you'll be on that for real. Let's see you standing up then. Do you standing up? Next weekend, mate. Wales, we'll be on it. 690 Enduro. Let me have a sit up. Oh, 690 Supermoto, the new SMCR. I like it. Still no rev count today. Traction control. The seat feels more comfy than the 701. That exhaust, it's not nice.
He said they've shaved cut away so you can see.
But instead of that, all I'm going to do...
But that's what my engine's like.
is I'm going to push it good then. This is what can sometimes happen when we're manual handling or something is loose, slippery, pretty grippy.
You can listen to music if you've got
so instead of trying to pull the bike upwards because I need that short
you can also make phone calls.
Otherwise, highly likely.
This is a bike which could be passed off there.
J'ai rien à faire dans le rouge, j'ai tout à faire dans le move, je suis comme un naufragé.